AVNation.tv. We are here at CEDIA Expo 2018 in sunny San Diego, California. We are in the MSE audio booth with John. John, how are you doing today?
Doing very well. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. John, I'm excited to be here. You guys have two great new products that we're going to talk about today, but specifically one of them won a CEDIA award today, which is fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Of course, the product we're talking about is the Phasetech OS440. Wonderful outdoor amp. Give us a quick overview of how that amp's working.
Okay, so it is an IP55 rated outdoor amplifier. You can create out of the box, it's a Google Chromecast device. You can set it up through Google Home and it can do everything a traditional Chromecast device can do. Compatible with Spotify, Pandora, any streaming service that you would want to use. It also has Wi-Fi direct mode, so if you don't have internet access, you can still use Wi-Fi as a protocol instead of Bluetooth, so you get distances associated with Wi-Fi, no compression, very wide bandwidth, so it's a great way to stream local content to the app. It also does Bluetooth. It can be just a generic Wi-Fi device, so you can set it up if you have a music server, DLNA, anything like that, it can interface with that. So you can pretty much stream anything you want to this thing. It also has a analog and optical input on it. So if you have any legacy hardware, if you have a tuner, you want to listen to the ball game outside, if you have a Sonos system, Alexa, anything can be connected to this thing and it works 100%.
That's fantastic. Of course, you add the boots to it and it becomes fully weatherized essentially.
Yes.
What rating does it obtain with those?
So that becomes, it's IP44 and then IP55 when you put the boots on.
Fantastic.
So it totally seals all the ingress points up so you can have it outside totally exposed if you want to.
This is really going to change kind of really the system design approach that we can use with outdoor audio, because traditionally you're running back to an amp that's located indoors somewhere, whether it's in an outbuilding, in a main house, something like that. This is allowing you to get your amps outside near your speakers, and specifically in areas where sometimes that home run essentially is ridiculous.
Right, and so that was the concept. You know, if you have a concrete pad port, they have a pool, whatever you have out there already, to put a system out there becomes a nightmare, having to drill through the house, do these incredibly long runs out to the speaker system. This way the amp can live entirely outside, power all of your outdoor speakers, and if you want, if you have a smart network, if you have something going on in the house, it can still interface with that wirelessly.
Right.
So you don't have to leave what's going on in the house out of the backyard. You can still bring it out there, you're just not having to physically drill holes for wires to come through.
Right. That's fantastic. The other thing I wanted to talk about was the Cherry Bomb.
Yes.
Really, really cool product.
Thank you.
Let's talk about that.
Okay, so the Cherry Bomb, we actually have a patent on this design. So the concept is when you have a traditional landscape outdoor system, the subwoofer is separate from the satellites, which are the mid and the high range. That inherently introduces phase problems, because where the sub is in relation to the satellites can be very greatly. It can be 10, 20 feet away. So you have those frequencies hitting your ear in the listening location at different times. When you combine all of that into one unit, you have the subwoofer, you have the mid, and you have the high frequency driver, all in one unit. No matter where you are always equidistant from that full frequency response, so it's perfectly phased aligned in the entire space.
That's fantastic. Again, a traditional buried design, correct?
Correct.
So you're going to drop it down below.
Yeah, you bury it. It only gets buried about 13 inches, so this is a very shallow hole we're talking about here. And it can be either 8 ohm or 70 volt, so it's got a host of options for the installer.
Beautiful. I'm assuming both of these products are shipping or shipping soon?
They are shipping now.
All right, so if people want more information about either the OS440 or the Cherry Bomb, where can they find that information?
It's MSEaudio.com.
Beautiful.
That hosts all of our websites, so you can get to anything from there.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for your time. For more coverage from the show floor and to learn more about AVNation, please visit AVNation.tv. That's AVNation.tv.